The global football legend Thierry Henry has added his voice to the growing chorus of admiration for Mamelodi Sundowns following the club's valiant showing at the FIFA Club World Cup. Despite bowing out in the group stage, the South African champions left an indelible mark on the tournament with their stylish and fearless brand of football. Drawn in a daunting Group F alongside European heavyweights Borussia Dortmund and Brazilian giants Fluminense, Sundowns' end plodded far beyond the points they accumulated, with 4 points from 3 matches, including a pulsating 4-3 defeat to Dortmund. Sundowns proved they could go toe-to-toe with the best. Henry, speaking in a widely circulated interview on social media, was effusive in his praise and said, "Looking at Group F, I must say Mamelodi Sundowns were the one team that truly brought excitement to the game. Their style of football kept you on the edge of your seat. Sometimes football just doesn't go your way, but it doesn't take away from what they brought to the tournament." While the Brazilians of North were unable to advance, their performance stood as a shining example of the growing technical maturity of African Football Club. Henry, who has played and coached at the highest levels, singled out Sundowns' position-based game as a hallmark of their maturity and ambition, and said they showed beautiful game football. To dominate position like that, especially against top-tier sides, is rare for African teams at this stage. Their attackers were sharp, full of confidence, and always looked dangerous. The former Arsenal and Barcelona striker underlined that Sundowns didn't just compete, they belonged, in a continent still striving for consistent representation at football's top table. Sundowns, according to Henry, stood apart and said they were the only African team that looked like they belonged at this level. They made Africa proud. Henry also urged the club to remain faithful to the football identity and said if they stick to the system, keep believing in their style, then football won't be their problem in the future. Their time will come. His sentiments were echoed by Borussia Dortmund head coach Niko Kovac, who praised Sundowns following their thrilling 4-3 victory over the South Africans at the QTL Stadium in Ohio, and said Sundowns is a football team that likes to play football very well. An educated game, I would say. We saw how hard it was to play against them. It was a real test. Kovac's comments added weight to the notion that African clubs, and particularly Sundowns, are narrowing the gap between themselves and global powerhouses. He praised the Pretoria-based side's ability to dictate the rhythm of the game and push Dortmund to their limits, and said the back-and-forth battle on the pitch was not for the faint-hearted. Both teams showed attacking intent and tactical intelligence. That's what made it such a compelling encounter. While the road to the knockout rounds may have ended early for Sundowns, the journey they embarked on won hearts and changed perceptions for many observers. Their performance was not just a fleeting moment of brilliance, but a sign of something greater on the horizon. Their Club World Cup campaign may be over, but Sundowns have undoubtedly elevated African football's reputation. One pass, one goal, and one brave performance at a time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.